dead because of you. You killed him. You're a killer.
Mike, he called again. He said I killed him. I swear I didn't kill anyone. Hello guys, this is Sophia, your RJ. It's a lovely day today. A big shout out and a warm welcome to all the audience out there. So far, 45 people have joined us, and your RJ is waiting for your calls. And here comes the first call. Hello, this is your RJ Sophia. What do you want to say in this beautiful weather?
Save me, please. He is going to kill me.
Save me? Who is that?
Please have mercy on me.
Hello? Hello? That must be a prank call. So, I'm still waiting for your calls. Call us and make this beautiful day memorable. Hello, this is your RJ Sophia. What do you want to say?
Hello, Sophia. I am Lena. How are you?
Fantastic. Tell us what you are doing.
The weather is truly amazing today. I am with my boyfriend. We're heading to the beach. Could you play a romantic song for us?
For sure, Lena. We're here to make your day memorable. Here it comes. Guys, again, you know I will not leave this show.
What are you talking about, Sophia?
Mike, didn't you hear that prank call?
Sophia, that girl, Lena, she was your first caller. Are you okay?
No, it was a woman begging for her life. Are you sure you didn't hear it?
None of us in the studio heard anything. Are you sure about it?
I'll talk to you later, Mike. My program is still ongoing.
All right, Sophia.
And that's a wrap for today. Thank you to our dear audience for staying with me. Keep smiling, and I'll catch you again very soon. Until then, take care and goodbye.
Sophia, what's the matter with that call? Did you check the recording? We didn't hear anything.
Let me take a look at this. How's that possible? This is insane. I heard her. She was in trouble and she was asking for help. And I wasn't drunk.
Relax, Sophia. I trust you. By any chance, are you taking sleeping pills?
Come on, Mike. Don't be a jerk. I remember that call.
Interesting. Don't stress about it. It's probably just a prank call. I'll drop you off at home today.
Thanks, Mikey. How is it possible that only I heard that call and no one else in the studio did? I should probably get some sleep. It's gonna be a busy day tomorrow. Mike, I'll be late today in the studio. Can you swap my show with Roni?
Sure. How are you? Did you sleep well?
Mike, I'm perfectly fine. Stop getting anxious about me.
All right. See you this evening.
I told you couldn't save him.
Ah! Did you see him?
Him? Who? There's no one. Are you okay?
He was here, just behind me. I heard him, I swear.
Ma'am, I think you should go home and get some rest.
Mike! Mike! Where are you?
Sophia, slow down. Here, take this. Now tell me what happened.
I was at the shopping mall today. I was on my phone when I felt someone's hand on my shoulder. And he said, I told you you couldn't save him. I panicked because there was no one behind me.
Did anyone around you see him?
No! The guy behind me said there was no one.
It feels like someone is messing with you. Are you sure it's not one of your friends?
I don't think they would ever pull such a horrible prank.
All right, Sophia, calm down. Your show is about to start, and we're all with you. You don't worry.
Hey, this is Sophia. How you guys are doing? Oh, we got a call so early. Hello, tell us what you want to tell us.
Hello, Sophia. I'm Lisa, and I love your voice.
Aw, thank you so much.
I I wait for your show like crazy. Your voice brings joy to me.
Lovely! What do you want me to play?
Surprise me. Any song you like.
All right then. This is the most requested song. And we're waiting for your calls. Tell us how your day went. You guys know this show is all about sharing your thoughts with Sophia. Oh, we got a caller. Hello, this is Sophia. Tell us, what do you want to say?
Hey Sophia, I'm Michael. My day was my boss acted like a jerk today. He must have had a bad day with his girlfriend.
Uh-oh, that sounds rough, Michael.
Yeah, I had a bad day, but I'm feeling good as I talked with you. I even missed a date with my girlfriend. She must be listening to you right now. Please play a song for her.
Of course. Here we go. That's all for today, folks. Thanks to our dear audience for being with me. Keep the vibes high and the smiles wide. See you soon.
Whoa, Sophia. You're looking happy and fresh today.
Yeah, I didn't get that creepy prank call today. I was pretty stressed out after that.
I know. I was also thinking about that.
I'm so relieved it's my day off. I'm going to have my coffee first. Then I'll plan out my day. Hey, Mike, what's up?
Hi, Sophia. I was thinking about having dinner together. You've had a stressful week. What do you say?
Oh my God, thanks, Mike. I've been overwhelmed with all the work, and that prank caller too. Dinner with you would be a relief. But you've got to pay the bill.
I can do that for my favorite employee.
We're going to have a lot of fun with amazing music and maybe even a few surprises. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned and let's get the show started. Hello! Who is this with us and what do you want to say?
I'm quite sad today, Sophia.
Oh, honey, why are you sad?
A girl in my class bullied me.
Bully?
She hit me with a pencil because I didn't do her homework.
Oh, this is insane. She shouldn't have done this.
I want her to apologize to me.
Oh, yes, this can be done through our show. So, girl, you need to apologize.
Will you say sorry to me, Sophia?
Me? Sorry? What are you saying? Hello? Hello?
Sophia! Please help me! I can't move. My leg is injured. He ran me over with a car.
You need to call 911. This is an entertainment show. We can't help you.
He will be dead because of you. You killed him. You're a killer.
Sophia, are you okay? Why were you screaming? Did you see a spider?
Mike, he called again. He said I killed him. I swear I didn't kill anyone.
Killed? Relax, Sophia. I don't understand what you are talking about.
I got a call from a man. He was in pain and asking for help. And then his voice changed and he said, I've killed that man.
Sophia, there's nothing on the record.
I'm not lying, Mike.
I know. Sophia, I'm thinking we should talk to someone who can help us with what you're facing.
Who?
I will talk to my friend. He works in the police department. He will help us with this mess.